Want to write a business plan but have no idea where to start? What if I told you that you could draft a solid business plan in just one weekend, all with the help of AI? Let's break it down into 5 simple lessons. First, clarify your business idea. What problem are you solving? What's your solution? And who is your target audience? Just jot down your thoughts in a simple document. Use AI to draft the core sections. Paste your notes into an AI tool and ask it to generate your company overview, market analysis, and product descriptions. Then, tackle the financials. Ask the AI to help you outline your revenue streams, basic costs, and create a simple one-year financial projection. After that, it's time to refine and format. Have the AI rewrite your draft for clarity and structure it with proper headings. Finally, present your plan. Export it as a clean PDF and share it with a trusted friend or mentor for feedback. You just created a business plan. Easy, right? Give it a try this weekend. Thanks for watching.